this is cinematic. I'm trying to cinematic see if there's any difference in quality. Well, there's definitely a car behind us. I said there's definitely a car behind us. Uh-oh, we're done.